on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because it is another collab with the lovely Jami Brumfield. She had reached out to me to do a clown collab because apparently this week is Clown Week, which I had no idea was even a thing. I figured maybe it was Shark Week, but I haven't even heard anything about Shark Week. All you hear on the news is schools reopening, coronavirus, and the hurricane. So I'm not sure if Shark Week is still a thing in 2020. I have been really wanting to do the look that I have in mind. I hope it goes over well. I am of course a little bit nervous. I know I haven't done something like this on my channel, let alone film it or even practice, so this is going to be the first time trying it. But that's why I love collab videos. They really push me out of my comfort zone, getting those creative juices flowing, and I hope you guys are excited for what we have in store for you guys today. I will leave my collabs playlist to watch previous collabs, and if you're visiting from Jami's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before we leave. And before we dive into this look, I am going to address the elephant in this room. Yes, I chopped off my hair. It was close to 10 inches. I'm very bad about cutting my hair. I just really enjoy the longer length. It has just been something I've gotten used to maintaining for so many years now, but I definitely needed it. It feels so much lighter, healthier. The ends were so dead, and I was trying to figure out if I'm going to try to embrace my natural hair, but from what the stylist said, part of my hair wants to be curly, part of it wants to be straight. There's no in between. Parts of the hair doesn't even want to curl, parts of the hair don't even want to be straight. She gave me like a curling product to put in after the shower and let it air dry just to see how that works. She also suggested volumizing products, which kind of scared me. I already have a lot of volume and I'm kind of missing my hair right now looking in the mirror because it just seems way too poofy, way out of control. I kind of second guess like, what did I do? I also have a bunch of other pre-filmed videos with long hair, so if you see the transition, that is why. They are not extensions. I've never purchased extensions in my life. I never really needed it because of how fast my hair does grow, and now I'm just figuring out what color I want to do. I do miss my purple hair, but I also love blue, green. Halloween's around the corner. Who knows what I'm going to end up with. It's funny that I agreed to do a clown collab because I am terrified of clowns, and I think the movie Joker that came out last year kind of helped me get over that, because he is a clown but he isn't a clown. He's kind of like a hot clown, and before you guys judge me in the comments below, has to have the makeup on. I don't know, there's just something hot about it. Maybe it's because I was on the time of the month and like that just stuck with me. I was like, damn Joker, get it. Yeah, I don't know. But like other clowns that I'll see like Halloween Horror Nights or just a clown at a birthday party, like it just gives me like the creeps. I don't want to deal with it. I figured let's do a Joker look. Joker is unfortunately no longer my background on my phone. It's my side chick Sydney now, but don't worry, Brock is still the background. It is a more simplistic look. I just want it to look good. That is what I'm gonna go for. I almost thought about doing the Heath Ledger Joker. That's also a mood, especially throwing it back to the emo scene days of having your eyes like a raccoon. But I figured let's start with this. Maybe the Heath Ledger Joker will be a look in October for spooky season. I am not fully prepared for this video because I don't have makeup paint for white on the face, and I was trying to think of what white primers, bases do I have that could kind of fake it till we make it for this video, and this is gonna be terrifying. It's gonna be a mess. I can see it now, but the closest thing that I have is this NYX Professional Makeup white base that I originally purchased for my eyelid, but you know what? This might actually be okay for pretty much my entire face. And I am gonna be taking my Luxie foundation brush, just trying to scoop some yep, here we go. Hopefully I'll still have some after this, because I never got to try this on my eyelid. got some all up in my hair. Cool. But I have some white setting powder and I'm hoping that can help really set this, because it definitely looks just a little patchy. So hopefully this can help smooth, diffuse things out. And if this still doesn't look as good, I also have loose translucent powder to help set. I'm going to take my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette and take the shade Fishy. I think that's going to be like the closest shade that I have in my collection for the triangles. I'm going to take my Sigma E05 eyeliner brush. Now we're gonna work on the eyebrows and the mouth. At first I was gonna be bold with liquid lipstick on drawing it out, but I think I might feel a little bit more comfortable taking the colored Snatched first, outlining it, and then filling it in with liquid lipstick. I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna try to clean this off really good so there's no blue residue when we draw this on. Had to clean up a few areas that I ran into a little bit of issues with. Before we add the mouth, let's go on ahead and add the nose, which is just going to be pretty much a circle using the same shade Snatched. And then for this, I'm going to switch to another brush to help fill this in. And now the mouth, which this side kind of goes all over the place. Whoa, look at those eyelids being a little creasy. How about another joke, Murray? It was really hard to touch up this brow. It just gave me a little bit trouble when I was trying to outline it, and then I smudged the triangle, and I couldn't decide if I wanted to make the mouth area more dramatic. I definitely had to just keep building slowly, but I was afraid my hand was just going to spaz out and flop, there goes on my chin. Looking at the picture, it looks kind of simple, and then when you try to do like the intricate details of like the triangles, I know I went up a little too high. This brow I'm more content with than this one, but that's usually how it is when I fill them in anyways. And then the mouth, I would have liked to touch up a little bit more, but based off of the experience on fixing up this side with the eyebrow and the triangle, I did not want to try to sharpen the edges of the mouth right here. I never appreciated concealer touching up things until now. And now that I don't have white concealer, trying to touch it up like the base just made it a little bit hard. And then when I was buffing it in, like for example, like this triangle was starting to smudge a little bit more, as you can tell kind of in this area, as well as the brow. It just started to smudge and smear. That's something that I wanted to avoid, trying to touch up this, because I knew it would probably look a little bit more realistic, especially at the end of the movie when it does this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was a lot of fun, and I definitely want to do a little bit more looks like this. I know I've been dying to do a jigsaw look. I would love to know what other looks you would like to see in the comments. Who's your favorite clown? Probably a weird question, but figured I would ask since it is clown week. And if you were going to create a look like this, jigsaw, whichever character you may do, which palette would you reach for? This one seems to be my contender for all of these different looks. I know I'm dying to get my hands on the new Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette. I think that's going to be an amazing palette for a lot of looks like this, and of course normal eye looks as well. Don't forget to check out Jami's channel to see her look. I'm excited to see if it's more of a traditional clown look or if she chose a clown character like I did. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.